Om Yatatmane Namaha. Yatatma, Samyatatma. Yatatma, Samyatatma, Yatatma itself I don't know. And you're adding another Samyatatma. So Yatatma means one who has a mastery. Mastery over what? Mastery over the senses, the body, the mind, the intellect. Master of his BMI. It's called Samyatatma. Not controlling. In the beginning, we need to control the senses, control the mind, but controlling means you're constantly checking. Hey, look here. I'm telling BMI. Watch how you tell your child. Hey, sit straight, sit properly. Some children, they call me, hey, Swami. Parents got very angry. You can't call Swami like that. Because he used to call his mom and, hey, Appa. Hey, Appa, he calls. Hey, Appa means, oh, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Mom. So constant checking. Just as you check the children to control. Control is not mastery. Mastery means whenever he wants to use the faculties, he can use. Whenever he wants to withdraw, he can withdraw. That power is called Samyata. Samyatatma. Anything do you remember? Any example comes to your mind? Invoke your Medha Shakti. Take it out of your pocket, Medha Shakti. Yada samharate chayam. Medha Shakti has come back, isn't it? See that? That's called Medha Shakti. Yada samharate chayam kurmonga niva sarvashah indriyani indriyarthebhyah tasya prajna pratisthita. Dhakka deke. Cooperative endeavor, Swamiji. Together we can do very well, Swamiji. Alone you put. So blackout ho jata hai, Swamiji. So Medha Shakti, blackout Shakti ho jata. What to do? Like Kurma. Kurma is the turtle, tortoise. The turtle has the power. It can project its limbs whenever it wants. It can also withdraw its limbs whenever it wants. That power, that knack, he has over the senses. What's the topic of a banquet? A very good topic. It's a beautiful topic he has. I don't know. I think he must have, because earlier he was Someshwar Chaitanya. Someshwar. Soma Ishwar. Then Soma was removed. Became Ishwarananda. Soma means mind. So mindful work. Then after sannyas, mindless. So mind gone. Mindless meditation. So I should ask him whether he has chosen the topic based upon his brahmacharya ashram and the sannyasa ashram he has chosen. We should ask him. If I forget, you ask. So, in the temple, how many have gone to Sandipani Jagadishwara Mandir? When you're about to go inside the temple, did you see anything there? Did you see a tortoise? What, Swami, tortoise? No tortoise and all. I go up the prasad and all, that's very good prasad. And Powai Lake and all, very good scenery, Swami, scenery and all. Did you see Lord Shiva at least? Kabhi dekhta hu. Lord Shiva. I go for Powai Lake. Those who go for Powai Lake, they go for Sandipani Ashram. Those who come to Sandipani Ashram, they go for Powai Lake. What they call? Do mein ek, do shot. Huh? Ek mein do? Wahi. Isn't it? See one and get one free. That maybe, I don't know. So, see, outside the Jagadishwara Mandir, like a lamp you might have seen, below the lamp will be a turtle. Anybody saw? So yeah, next time when you go, Swamiji, just now he went and came back. Again, after next year only I can go. Go check that. Before you enter the temple, there will be like a lamp. Below that will be a turtle. And people, they touch it and go. They do anything in that. Everything you do like that. Why are you doing that? I saw somebody doing it. I am also doing it. And some people, both the hands. And it's Shivaratri time, there's a big crowd. Just if you touch one time and goes, no. Some people stand there only, more delay. And all others watch. And everybody stops there. Why they are doing? Why did you do? He did it. Therefore I'm doing. The idea is to invoke the power of the turtle when I'm entering the temple. When I reach the sanctum sanctorum. And that's why you close your eyes. Why? To see within. I withdraw my senses and the mind and try to recognize that divine light of consciousness which illumines all my experiences. So that experience is within, not through the senses, not through the mind. It's aparoksha anubhuti. Immediate experience. Immediate means without the media of the senses, without the media of the mind, without the media of the intellect. Because it's my own self. You need the senses to see the sense objects. You need the mind to experience the feelings. You need the intellect to know the thoughts, ideas. But to know yourself, you don't need any media. It is immediate. But our understanding of immediate is something else. Next time if your husband asks, hey, give me coffee immediately, what you should do? Take the cup of coffee and throw on his face. Because he only asked, give me coffee immediately, means without the media of the cup. Got it? Anybody, any husband asks, give me coffee immediately. Without the media of the cup. Aparoksha anubhuti coffee. So, mastery over the senses mind, because samyatatma. So, yatatmane namaha. Yatatma means one has total control over the sense objects. Next. Sense organs, sense mind, control, mastery over the BMI is called Swami. Swami means what? Swami means master. Master of what? Not others. My own BMI. I am the master of my BMI. That is called Yatatma. Om Yatatmane Namaha.